guys, welcome back to Miss Henrik's video demo. Today I'm going to show you a recipe by Fannie Farmer. It's her classic baked macaroni and cheese. And let me show you my mise en place. So we're going to need a little bit of flour, which I have in this container, and butter to make our roux. We have our cheese, which is cheddar and jack, which is a combination of shredded cheddar and jack. We'll need milk, regular milk, and some heavy whipping cream. And then our macaroni, it's like elbow macaroni, which we have here. Breadcrumbs, I have chosen some panko breadcrumbs that will be going on top. And then, of course, salt and pepper. All right, first step is you're going to want to cook your macaroni. So you'll get a large pot, fill it up about halfway with water, salt the water, remember as salty as the Mediterranean. Once it boils, you'll add your macaroni and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then you'll strain it in a strainer and set it aside until you're ready for your next step. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make the roux. The roux is basically a mixture of flour and butter, and it is the base of a sauce. In this case, we're making a cheese sauce because we're making macaroni and cheese. You want to have everything measured out at this point already. So I have my flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and pepper to taste ready to be added when my butter is melted. And I also have my cream and milk at hand ready to add in as soon as my butter is all melted. I also have my pot of water. It is starting to simmer. It's at this point almost simmer. It has a bunch of salt added. Doing this simultaneously to save some time. And I will add my pasta to the water as I'm working on my sauce. Okay, all right, my butter is melted, and you are going to slowly add the flour mixture, and you need to be constantly whisking this butter flour mixture. This is a critical moment. This is like your thickening agent. So the roux will thicken your sauce. Okay. Then you'll add your milk. It's a little hot, so you turn that down to lower heat. Keep stirring, keep stirring. And you'll add your cream. And keep stirring. So this will become your sauce. As you keep stirring and stirring and stirring. This is called a roux. Now you want to get all those clumps out. You might even need to add a little bit more milk, which I'm going to do. Okay. So I've whisked my sauce until it's completely smooth and there are no more clumps. It's time to add my macaroni because my water is boiling. 4 ounces is exactly 1 cup of dry macaroni. Alright, that's in the pot, and you want to just stir it around once and set a timer for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, the sauce, the recipe says to stir for 10 minutes, but I can already tell that this sauce is the consistency that I want because it is smooth, there's no clumps. And I'm going to add my cheese in now, which is 1 cup of cheese, which is like a very large handful. And I love cheese, so I'm going to add a little bit more. And we'll stir this around until it melts. Alright, so my cheese sauce is ready. I'm going to leave it in the pan until my noodles are ready. And I want to, in the meantime, butter just a baking dish. Just take the butter, maybe a tablespoon, rub it on the bottom and the sides. This is the easiest way I like to do it. And set this aside. And yeah. So my elbow macaroni took about 8 minutes to cook. I put it in a strainer in the sink and ran cold water over it. Now this will go right into the sauce. You just stir it up. The macaroni is a little bit hot still, so it's going to incorporate into the sauce. And I'm going to switch spoons. Okay, now this will go into your buttered pan. Mom, I am recording. You guys, quiet on the set.
Being exposed to cancer.
Okay. All right. And on top of this, you'll just sprinkle 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. A nice little crunch. And then into a preheated oven for 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Alright, so your macaroni needs to bake for about 20 minutes, maybe 15. We can check it at 15 and see how it looks. So that is a lot of steps and a long bake time. So everybody needs to be diligent about their kitchen job, working quickly, no standing around so that we can still eat our macaroni and cheese within the class period. If that doesn't happen, then we'll have to wait until the next day to eat our mac and cheese. So I hope you guys can get it done. I believe in you. I hope you enjoyed this video.